Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. LSS actually broke out. I was actually waiting for a retest of like 70 cents ish back here on previous support. It actually broke out, so I did buy in at around 89. You guys know I already sold part of my Matic position around 2,200 bucks. I threw all of it into LSS. I do think that as of right now, it is extremely bullish. And I think the next stop, while it might take a little bit, it might trade sideways, up, down, whatever. I think ultimately we are looking at a 145 LSS from these levels. So if you're buying in right now, I bought in at 89, so we'll do 89. I actually bought in at 49 also, like down here, but I threw in another position at 89. So even from here, I mean, you can still expect a 60% K to 145. And then after this gets broken, you essentially break all-time highs. And then from there, it's just, I have absolutely no clue where it can go from there. I mean, you can probably throw some fibs on here to kind of forecast where it can possibly go from high to lows. And then after it breaks, and then after it breaks those relative highs, those not relative, all-time highs, I mean, next stop is probably $2 that we can probably expect from there. And a run from where we are now to $2, it's essentially let me see, $2. That's 122% gain at $2, and I think at then it'll still be like a 30 million market cap, so still way undervalued. I think this is definitely going to hit possibly 50, 100 million market cap. I definitely think it can go up there. I still think there's a possibility that it can get to $1 billion market cap, which would make it essentially it's 100x from where it is now. So I'll see you guys later. We'll see what happens, and have a great day. Bye bye.